Hi, everyone. Jennifer from The Profitable Agent joining you today. When did you last actually look at your bank account? Be honest, not a quick glance to see if a commission cleared, a real look. Statements open, numbers in front of you, an honest accounting of where things actually stand. For a lot of realtors, the honest answer is it's been a while, maybe a long while. And I don't think it's carelessness. I think it's something else entirely. Something nobody in this industry talks about, but almost everyone does. Financial avoidance is the deliberate not looking, the unopened statements, the bookkeeping that's 6 months behind, the I'll deal with it after the next closing that becomes I'll deal with it at the end of the year, that becomes I'll deal with it when things slow down. Things never slow down. You know that. You're a really hardworking realtor, and the numbers never get looked at. Here's why this happens, and it's not laziness, okay? It's self protection. When you're in production mode, when deals are moving and your clients need you and your phone doesn't stop, looking at your finances feels like stepping off a moving treadmill. It's disruptive, it's uncomfortable, and somewhere underneath it, there's a quiet fear that what you find won't match the story you've been telling yourself. So you don't look, and not looking feels safer than knowing. Financial avoidance isn't about not caring. It's about being afraid that what you find won't match what you've been telling yourself. And I've been there too, okay, guys? So please know that I am someone that used to avoid my bank account as well, okay? Here's the problem. The numbers don't stop moving just because you stop looking. Subscriptions you forget about keep charging. Expenses that should have been caught 6 months ago are still being charged and running. Tax obligations that should have been set aside are sitting in the same account as everything else, or they're gone entirely. The leak isn't dramatic. It's not one big moment. It's a slow, quiet drain that's been running in the background while you have continued to focus on the next deal. And the longer you don't look, the bigger the gap between what you think is happening and what's actually happening. The numbers don't care whether you're looking at them, they just keep doing what they're doing. The fix isn't complicated, but it does require one decision. Decide that looking is less scary than not knowing. Book 10 minutes this week, open your statements, pull up your account, look at what came in and what came out, and whether those two things make sense relative to each other. You don't have to have a perfect system today. You just have to start looking because you cannot fix a leak you refuse to see. This is leak number one in the Profit Leak series, where your money is actually going. Over the next 3 weeks, I'm going to break down the other leaks I see draining realtor finances quietly, consistently, and expensively. And if you want to find out exactly where your money is going right now, book a clarity call with me. In 30 minutes, we'll open your statements together and find those leaks. Link is in the description. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as personalized financial or tax advice. Jennifer from The Profitable Agent out.